pretty scared, guys. Ow, ow,
ow. Can we go this way now? Is it 0?
Yeah.
So
you mean go
like,
up this way? Yeah, yes. Just clean everything up from below the headband, right? It's all gonna be 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's up, guys? We're back on the road again after staying at a hotel last night.
2 nights. And this is day 14.
This is the 14th day of our road trip. And I'm glad that we stayed in a hotel. We got some stuff done. We got 3 videos edited and uploaded. I have 2 more ready to release in the next couple days. Sonia gave me a haircut. I don't know if it looks any different to any of you guys. It's mostly just the sides and the back.
Yeah.
She did a pretty... Okay, she did better than ever before.
I don't know about that.
Oh, really? It's bad?
No, I mean, it was fine, but then like
Oh, it's bad
watched
now?
the top. No, now it's good because he actually fixed it. So
I should just do it myself. But
I know.
It seems easy.
Right?
It just seems like... I don't know. Doesn't matter.
I mean,
Doesn't matter. I don't want to get into it, but
anyway.
it's I think it turned out good enough. And let's see, what else have we been up to? We got the videos. That was the most important thing because we're probably 25 videos behind at this point, don't you think?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm posting videos
No, because
that
that's like
are from days ago. Yeah, like our 2nd and 3rd day.
Yeah.
So, what is that?
Slumber Waterfall Short.
Okay. So we were planning to go to so we're back on the road. We were planning to go to a hot springs, but it turns out that most of the hot springs, they're either, if they're a good hot spring, they're commercialized, or they're at a hotel and you have to pay a lot of money for it, or if they're not developed, the ones that we've looked up and researched, they're just, you wouldn't want to get in them. They're kind of stagnant.
Yeah, it doesn't have like flowing water and it has algae.
Yeah, so
algae.
I think we're gonna bag that idea as far as the hot springs. We are on our way to our favorite store, Costco. We're gonna get some ice. Our ice is all melted.
Getting chicken.
We're gonna get some chicken because I think we figured out like a meal solution with the chicken. Works out pretty good. If we buy one of those whole roasted chicken, we can pull it apart and save it, and it's at least 2 meals.
Yeah.
3 meals probably. Anyway.
Yeah, 3 meals for each of us. So that's 6 meals total.
And
so
then we throw in a side, and it's good enough, you know. The last few days I've been really off on my diet and exercise. It's a lot harder to work out than what I planned for. I even brought weights and everything, and it's just, I thought we would be more alone, secluded in a lot of times throughout the day where I could just bust out the weights and do some workout without a lot of people, but it turns out that we're never really alone.
Yeah. And if we do get like some private space, it's like, it's not a place that you would want to bring weights.
Yeah, and then you also have to be in the mood to work out, you know, so it's just a lot harder. When we get our van, I'll be able to set up some stuff in the van that
always comes back
won't
to the
have
van.
this. I mean, even just, guys, just simple things like a pull-up bar or some parallel bars, they're really hard to find. I mean, you can find them, but you really have to... See, I don't want to have to change what I'm doing in order to live the lifestyle that I want to live. You know, the food, the sleep, the exercise, just the lifestyle in general. I want to be the power, you know, having electricity, all those things. I want to be as self-sufficient as possible. That's the most beautiful thing about doing the van life type of lifestyle, I think. is just to be more free, more independent, and self-sufficient. And it just makes you more mobile too, just being out all the time. I mean, it's a good feeling. But anyway, so we got the haircut, we uploaded videos. What else?
And
we're going to Costco right now.
Yeah,
don't forget to follow our Instagram. Sorry for cutting you off.
Not Jeff and Sonia. There's a lot of I try to update the photos daily.
Yeah, she's doing a great job on that.
So please follow us on Instagram.
You'll know a lot more about what we're doing. More
recent than, you know.
I can't think of the word. Yes, current. More current.
Yeah.
So. We just woke up. Give me a break. Anyway, so what else is there? The haircut.
Yeah, that's...
We have a flat tire. Not a flat tire, but there is a warning in my car. This warning right there, that a tire is low. And I checked with my gauge, and there's one tire that's a little bit low. Now I have an air compressor that you plug into the cigarette lighter, so I'm gonna give that a shot. It's pretty old. I brought it so we could fill up the inner tubes, but I don't see why it couldn't fill up a tire. So we're gonna give that a shot. What else is there?
That's it.
That's pretty much all I wanted to say. I wanted to say that we're back on the road. We're refreshed.
Yeah.
Let's go. So one of the downsides about living in an SUV versus a van or something bigger is constantly having to dig things out, and then once you use them, put them all back in. So we have an air compressor in here that we need to access. So first we had to pull this bag out, then we had to reorganize some little fans that we bought a long time ago. Then we're gonna have to move the shoes, the weights, and then dig out that box. Not a big deal, but after a while, it just becomes such a nuisance to do. Not that I'm complaining much. And then after all that, it's not even there. It's in here. Ta-da. Wow. Hey, Son, there is a water in here. If you need one, we should pull it out. I'll grab it for you, hon. This is our secret stash back here. I'll put it up front. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, it does. Okay. It died. So it was a fail on pumping up my tire. The compressor worked, but it didn't have enough oomph to fill it past 32 psi, and I need about 35, 36 for this warning to go off. And then, so I kept it on there, and then eventually it just died. And I don't know, but those things can really come in handy, but they gotta work.
Right.
It's like fix-a-flat, you know? If you need fix-a-flat, it's really nice to have in a pinch. Air compressor, same thing, but maybe we need to look into a new one then. So we just left that rest area, and we got on the freeway for about 30 seconds, and there's another rest area. So you know it, we're gonna stop. Let's check it out. Okay, so this rest area has a little boardwalk. I hear rushing water. Yeah, there we go.
That's the Colorado.
That's the Colorado River, she said. All right, all right. That's not the Colorado River. That's the Colorado River. Burn, burn, in your face.
We could swim right there.
We could. This would be the perfect place to take a dip. Except that there's so many people Not that I really care, but maybe I do. I don't know. I don't know where I'm going with that. But I see stairs way over there, Son. We could go over there with the towel and
Yeah.
wait, what are we talking about? We already had showers
I
today.
know, we're not doing it today, but we're just saying that this would have been perfect. Because
Yeah.
Because it's very clean.
Yeah, it's clean. See, this is clean
very
water.
clear.
That
And
is
chocolate
muddy chocolate water. Okay. So one of the great things about today, like being in a hotel, it reminds you how great it is to be able to wake up and get completely ready for the day. That's something that is not something that I really thought about until recently. It sucks to not be so in the SUV. Usually we have to stage our stuff, like the shower part, the brushing our teeth part, the changing our clothes part. You know, we don't want to change into clean clothes before we've found a place to take a bath, type of thing. But sometimes we do anyway. But it's really interesting. I find it interesting that it's so much easier when you can just wake up and do everything. You can wake up, have your coffee, eat your breakfast, take your shower, brush your teeth, and then you go start your day. Whereas in the SUV, it's wake up, arrange a lot of things around so that you can make coffee and oatmeal maybe, and then, you know, find a place where, you know, drive down the road, maybe find a place that you can clean up, but maybe that place is not a good place and you have to keep searching and hours. You know, it's just, you don't feel like you ever got fresh and ready for the day. That is something also that will be fixed with the van, because we'll be able to take a shower, we'll be able to have a you're laughing because this is yeah, but I just want to point out to people that there is a huge difference in being in an SUV versus a van. Right. Yeah. Because it's, in my opinion, it's not sustainable for me with my lifestyle to live in an SUV, but I think it is sustainable for me to be long periods of time in a van because of all the more space and the power and all that stuff. All right, are we gonna take this path or watch out? Here comes a bike. I wonder how long this is. So we were on our way to Costco, guys, and we just keep getting, you know, this urge to pull over at every single rest area. It is beautiful. You're right. This would be a perfect place to take a bath. But today just so happens that we were able to do that already.
Yep.
You know, it's not easy
There's
to.
probably a waterfall up there.
You think so? So are we gonna do this?
No. Really?
Ooh. How am I hearing? Oh, that's trucks. I thought that was thunder. So are we gonna continue this or
I'm not sure.
go back?
It looks like a long path.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
I say we turn around and go to Costco and get our stuff at Costco.
Yeah.
All right. A lot of people on bikes. I don't know if they're renting bikes or they just bring their bikes here. Maybe they live close. I don't know. I don't know. That lady looked at me like I'm crazy.
What kind of berries this?
I think they're edible.
No,
What?
I don't eat those.
I thought all berries were edible.
Uh-huh.
They're all edible. You just might get sick.
Uh-huh.
Come on. How you like that? Zing.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Going back to the car.
Going in the tunnel, guys. Ooh, tunnel.
Sorento's doing it right. So rest area every 10 minutes. We just hit another one.
My Canyon Adventures.
So maybe we don't even get out of this. We've been trying to make it to Costco. We really
Looks
have.
like some...
What is that?
I don't know.
What is that? What is that? We might have to get out.
Golden Bear Ship Ranch.
A bear ranch?
Bear. It's not like the animal bear.
Oh.
It spells B-A-I-R.